guys, got another video out up here on this little single track, kind of. There's a cave right up there, doesn't go through though. I come up here and get some more footage here this morning. There's a truck back there, I think somebody else is back here. So we might see somebody else. It's crazy, it was real cloudy at the bottom of this mountain. And then when I got up so high, it's like you wouldn't even know it. So if it stays that way, take us a little adventure here. Been back here a couple times. It's kind of sandy. We've had a bunch of rain this last week. Might be kindly saw. Little technical section here. That freaking view. Didn't bring my drone because I thought it would be all crappy. I wish I would have brought it now. Oh well, excuse to come back up here one day. Up here. There's a couple tunnels up here too. I guess technically that thing back there was a tunnel, not a cave, because it does go all the way through, but you can't really go through it. It's filled in with rocks and such. Mountain bike trails back here too. Go down through there somewhere. My last video I recorded, I had about like 20 or 30 minutes of footage that was all like shaky. I don't know what happened. And it was at the end, of course. So I didn't know it until I like put it in the editing thing. Look at that crap. Beautiful. Thought this would be more muddy than it is. It ain't stopped raining for the past week down on my elevation where I live. But of course, like I said, it was a lot darker and cloudier on the bottom of this mountain. Check this out. Can't see crap. Little rev limiter. Just a little bit of rev limiter. Pretty sure there's one more tunnel on this little path here. Oh, there's two more, but one of them's gated off. I didn't know that the first time I come down through here. Oh, there's some mud. Oh, yeah. Another tunnel. More time, I go check that out. Gotta get back, do a little bowling with my boy. Crazy, I don't see four-wheeler tracks anymore. Just look onto it. Uh-oh. In their truck back there at the beginning. I'd go around back here. Play heck on my ankles. All these freaking rocks and ruts and everything else. Want to be able to walk for a week after. Easy now. Easy now. Above the clouds. Ooh. Sandy. I ain't talking about SpongeBob. I wonder how they got that Jeep back here. Just dawned on me. How in the world? Because last time I was up here, this tunnel was closed. You couldn't bring that thing up this little narrow bit here. I wouldn't think. Crap, man. Wish I would have brought my drone. Gate's still closed. Well, I'm gonna get off here and check some footage, and then I'll head back out of here.